Hallo mense.
Hallo julle. Gaan het?
How are you? Guess where we are? We are on the lake. Remember the lake I showed you in the summer that is so beautiful and was big and wet? It's now a solid block of ice. This is Mirror Lake. Leafy, are you gonna walk on the lake for us so we can, so the people can see? Grappies maakie. So, he's on the lake. See, this is where the shore is.
Look here. This is the ice.
And that is a solid block of ice. Oeh, my bril gaan af. Beautiful. So, what did you want to say?
No, it's frozen. And it doesn't feel that cold right now. So.
No, it doesn't. I think yesterday our maximum temperature was negative 15 degrees Celsius, and I still work in Celsius because that's what my brain works with. He works with Fahrenheit because he's good with that. But not.
Just heard the ice, huh?
Yeah, we should maybe just backtrack a little because it's not frozen solid yet. We are taking chances standing here.
And look, yeah.
Anyway.
The deer is running.
Yeah. This was either a deer or a dog.
It's a coyote.
Or a coyote.
Yep, it's a coyote. Look there.
Yeah, like a... Yeah. So, wild animals run wild here.
Look.
And
The big coyote.
look a big coyote.
Look at a big coyote.
Anyway, so I wanted to show that to you. Our maximum today was negative 14 degrees Celsius. Yesterday was negative 15 degrees Celsius, so it's almost picnic weather. And real feel yesterday with the wind was negative 23 Celsius. So yeah, it's a little bit colder here, but we love it. Okay, are you gonna do the hand thing?
Look here.
Oh yeah, another great thing. If you go walking with your dog, clean up after your dog. And there are bags provided for you for your dog's poop. How we keep the world clean here around us. No plastic stuff laying around, no garbage laying around, nothing. It's just clean and everything is taken care of. Even the garbage can is cleaned around it. So, yeah. Leafy, are you going to do the julle moet lekker wees thing?
Julle moet lekker wees.
Okay.
Julle moet lekker wees. Julle moet lekker wees.